and it prevents the rework. Naturally, it accelerates your mobile application development, okay, and improves the time to market. So that's one of the challenge, how this solution addresses those kind of challenges. The second one is what we're looking at is you want to make sure that, see, at the end of the day, just having functionality mobile applications is not enough. You need to make sure that you're delivering a great user experience to the consumer, the end client, the user, and you're developing a quality applications which engages the users and also meets the business objectives, business goals. So that's another challenge the organizations and the teams, mobility practice teams face. So how do we address these kind of challenges? One is, what we are trying to do is, as part of this solution itself, you can have the wireframes. Once you capture the requirements, the user stories, you can create the wireframes as part of this solution. And again, it's a completely web-based solution. Attach those wireframes, link those wireframes into the requirements. And naturally, any change in the requirement, immediately tool identifies that, okay, hey, there's a change in the requirement. So impact analysis can be seen. That's one of the capability. So, and having just wireframes is not enough. It goes through its own workflow, the review workflow. There's the review process built into the solution. All stakeholders, irrespective of the geolocation, clients and your senior team can be the reviewer and approver. Just make sure that you are capturing so-called good design and good requirements early in the life cycle, in the spirit of the agile work. Moving to slide number 19, as I said, the reviews make sure that, so I'm at slide number 19. I guess it's still displaying. Okay. Okay. So I hope that, okay, everybody is able to see the slide number 19. So the review process across the capabilities, what we have, project plans, the different kind of assets, it makes sure that the agreement is there and it prevents the rework, because everybody participated and there was a reviewer and there was an approval, and you can make sure that, okay, you're able to capture so-called good requirements early in the life cycle. So these are the kind of capabilities helps you to make sure that, okay, you are delivering quality applications to your end client. Okay, when we're talking about quality, how can we forget the testing aspect, correct? So testing, it's not a very straightforward in the mobile world. If it was a desktop applications, I know that, okay, these are the objects. If it's a web, I know that, okay, these are the browsers. But if you look at the testing challenges, last 6 years in the internet world, in the web applications world, look at the challenges of what we had, web application testing. Last 6 years, we had Internet Explorer, now version 9. I'm not so sure whether we have 10. And we had Firefox browser. Yesterday, I got Firefox browser version 24, 23 point something. It was updating, automatic update. And now we have Chrome, which is moving up in the ladder. So this has been the challenge for us in last 6 years, correct? But look at the, okay, I'm moving to slide number 21. I guess it's still displaying now, audience view. Yes. Okay, now if you look at the mobile world, last 1 year, look at the challenges that we are having. Okay, there is animation in this. You have, and Android comes with different names, ice cream sandwich, the different kind of names they give, unique names, and now BlackBerry, Firefox, everybody getting into the bandwagon of this huge opportunity that is available. So that's a challenge. In last 1 year this happened, okay, and it keeps on coming to your delivery challenges. So now how do we address this? As part of this solution, we have something called as a mobile application testing. This is something different from what you do device specific testing. This is what we call as a functionality or regression testing. As of now, we are supporting Android and iOS box, which captures your behavior, records your interactions with mobile applications, and captures them and plays back those recordings in terms of the regression testing. So, and you can come up with the test cases, test planning. So it's a completely web-based solutions what we have, test asset management. And the mobile, the recording and the playback, it can be done either through our solution by the tool itself, or through an emulator, or you can do through the device itself. So there is a small connector that gets installed on the device. Through device itself, you can record the mobile application and play back it. So these are some of the capabilities what we have as part of this, a single mobile application development solution. The requirements management, agile planning, review process, wireframe sketching, test asset management, quality management, and test automation in terms of functionality and regression testing. It helps teams and organizations and ensures that you are delivering qualitative applications and also engaging the users and meeting business goals. So that's in terms of the technology challenge and how the solution addresses those challenges. And moving to slide number 22nd. Okay, so this still the animation, the tablets, phablets. Now phablets are coming out. So right now I'm at slide number 22, everyone.